G'day folks, we're here on the Gold Coast, Whittley Boats, making a big splash in Coomera on the Gold Coast. Come this way and I'll show you through our showroom. Our operating hours and our phone numbers are on our front door. Come along and see us. Now, people say to us, why would you choose a Whittley? They're right here on our board. They're Australian owned, they're Australian made, they're family owned, they're premium brand, they're great resale, wide range. We have a massive 15 different models. Key partners, 5-year warranty, and we can give you ongoing support even after you've bought your boat for years and years to come. Come this way and I'll show you a few of our range. Here we have a CW, a Clearwater 1650, the smallest fishing boat in our range. Small, but why would you buy an aluminium boat when you can have a good fiberglass boat? You don't drink your beer out of tins, you drink it out of glass. Glass, Australia, well done. Come this way. On this side we have a Clearwater 1950, the bigger brother of the 1650. This is an offshore boat, it'll go and go and go. On this side we have its bigger brother again, SL20, the smaller of the SL ranges, Sea Legend. They're both powered by the bulletproof Yamaha engines. These boats can be optioned up or optioned down. You can go crazy on these guys. Come around here. Okay folks, here we have a CR2080. It's the entry level for the cruising boats that we build. Now this boat, you can go into the broadwater, you can go up to the dams. Family cruising, skiing, fishing, all manners of enjoyment in the summer days on the water. We've started putting black alloy wheels on our trailers. They not only look good in the water, they look fantastic on the back of your car as well. Let's come around this way and we'll have a look at some other boats. Around here we have the start of our bigger cruiser range, 2380 and 2600. Now come this way and we'll have a look in the back of these boats. You'll see they're so well pointed and finished off. On this side we have the 2380, which is our most popular cruiser. It's a liveaboard boat. You can live on this one for a week at a time or even more if you really wanted to. And on this side we have its bigger brother, the 2600 CR, which is very, very well appointed. And you know, why would you buy an overseas boat that you can't pull with your car anywhere in Australia, only with a permit, and you can't pull it after dark? This boat can go anywhere in Australia. You can take this to the Whitsundays. It's a 2600, it's got a bigger brother, the CR28, which is a lot better appointed and is towable as well. So why would you go to one of those offshore boats that are not built here? All these boats are built in Australia, have been for 65 years. This side, we've got a Sea Legend 25, offshore fishing boat, 100 kilometres offshore. It's got 250 litres of fuel. You can upgrade the fuel. You can go further if you like. You can go to Tasmania. This boat's a fantastic boat. Look at that. Down here, just down the road there, we have a facility, our own private jetty. We have our own private marina down there, making all the handovers and the testing of boats all available to us at any time.